students. Hello. Today we are going to learn few words with double E sound. And you know double E sound is a long E sound. When two E are walking there, only one makes the sound and that is alphabet name E. Okay? I told you in my previous video when two vowels are walking, only first one is talking and second one walks quietly with her for the first one. Okay? See, when we add sh, S and H makes sh sound. Sh, E, P, she. See? Sh, E, P, she. It gives the sound E, not A. Sh, E, she, she. Okay. Now, if J comes, you know the sound of J? J, E, P, J, E, G. And if it comes W, V. You know the sound? V, E, P, V. And if we make something else, T and R, if all together comes, and you know which sound they make and which word? Tree, tree, tree. Okay? And if B comes, it makes B, B. Only we will hear the one sound and that is also the alphabet name. When two vowels are walking, the first one is talking. And what is the action for E? This is the action. You remember? E. Okay. So, first let's revise the words.